What's that? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time and I'm getting back into this. So let's spend my birthday together. It's been a long time since I posted here, but then we're gonna vlog this day and see if we can post it. So today's my birthday. The plans of today, we're gonna go to a spa date, and then after that we're gonna go for lunch at some cafe. It looks cute, so I'm gonna take it with me. So maybe I'm gonna do a weekend vlog, but then I don't know. Whatever I get out of this, I'm gonna post. So let's go, tag along, let's go. It's been a long time. I know people who have been subscribed to me, they forgot about me, so it means new people. So if you're new here and you're seeing me for the first time, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. You don't have to comment really, you just have to subscribe. And if you are returning and it's been a long time, sorry, but then I'm back. And from now on, we posting every now and then, even if the vlog is boring, but then I'm gonna post. And so guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. It's so simple, it's nothing special, it's nothing anything. I'm waiting for the bolt, so yeah, let me show you. This top from Mr. Price, this skirt from Shea, Steve Madden bag, Galaxy Boy shades, and shoes from Mr. Price. Let me show you. Shoes from Mr. Price. These things are from Mr. Price. That's all that I have right now. But then yeah, right now I'm waiting for my bolt, and yeah, I'll see you when I'm on the way. So guys, I'm already at the spa and I'll keep you updated later on, but then let me show you the room, and yeah, let me change very quick because I'm late. Take this also guys, right now I'm at a cafe. I don't know if it's the right cafe. This is my first time and I'm coming alone because my friends are not here. But then yeah, I'm done with my massage. It was too good. So right now I'm walking into the cafe. I do not know anything about this cafe. This is my first time coming now. So let's go and see what's happening here. Solo date is it's not giving solo. It's giving solo, but then there's people and it's a small place. So let's see what I can get. It's a small thing that I want. I don't want to eat a lot, but then yeah. So yeah, I don't know how it goes here. If there's waiters or what. Do you want to sit inside or outside? I think outside will do.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I'm aware. before there was fighting now. And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me I come, but then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Call my name. Fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're good. But then now is a Saturday, and yesterday I didn't do anything. On a Friday I didn't do anything. I was at home. But right now I'm going to have lunch with my friend. I'm about to go to have lunch with my friend. I wanted to do this intro at home and do my makeup, but I need time. I don't have time on my side, so I will not be out here doing makeup and everything, yabo. So yeah, guys, I will see you when I get there. Yes, I'm taking you with me. I'll see you when I get there.
So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See all the little things you do, they make me know. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I want you to make me there. Closer. Girl, I want making you closer. I feel like making you closer. No, closer. I want to make me there. Closer. Girl, I want making you closer. I feel like making you closer. So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See all the little things you do, they make me know. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come closer.
Hey guys, today is a Sunday, and I think I'm gonna close this vlog here because don't mind the mess in this house. It's so messy everywhere. I don't know where can I show you the background. Can I? Okay, let's put it here. So today I'm gonna close off this video. It's a Sunday. Yesterday I went on a lunch and I didn't show much, I know, but then I was just meeting my friend who I've, like, it's been a long time since I saw her. It's been like 2 years because I'm bored. It's been 2 years without seeing her, so I just wanted to be in the moment, even though we recorded content and took pictures and whatever, but then I just didn't want to put a camera there and we talk and we start speaking things that shouldn't be on camera. But then yeah, we had fun, and right now I just ate breakfast. I was eating Nando's. I was eating Nando's as breakfast. I know, a buju bao. I was having that, and yeah, right now I'm gonna have some ice cream, and then I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I don't even know, unless something happens today, I will take you along. But if there's nothing happening, I'm not gonna show you anything. Maybe I'll record during the week because I'm going out with my friends, so I'm gonna record that. I don't want to make my my vlog so long, but then right now, like, I want this vlog to be 11 to 20 minutes. No, 20 is a lot. 11 to 15 minutes. That's what I want to do. And yes, guys, I enjoyed my birthday and I had fun. But then yeah, right now let me go enjoy some ice cream and then edit this video. But then if you enjoyed this video and made it to this part of the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. I don't know when, but then whenever I record.